हे काम भारी कष्ट डिसेबिलिटी एक वर्ड चला there's a range of disabilities तमला हाथ पाय ना कान ना दौल ना and each requires a different kind of approach. हांव चेन्नई जालेली 4 चेडूं आमी 3 girls and 1 boy. एक साइडान तू एक आजचो सुजीत नरसिंह नायक and तो British कालान तू one of the first DMOs आशिलो. The other side Matti Narayan Prabhu and he was the leading ENT specialist. In fact म्हाका लायक समर उडगास आसा सान आसतना Aja Tevatana, MS Subbulakshmi was his patient. So, ek disu, because Sanasana I used to sing well. So one day she said, I'm going to adopt this young girl. Mikil Earth Education Chennai ashile, because anyway Madras is known for its colleges. Mikil Masters and Isakada Valdik Tatar Kelel have, because I was quite young, Valdik Tatana, and I did my masters Hyderabad antu in the Central University. Masters करतरी 2 वर्ष corporate काम केलं हवं. हांव business media काम केलं आणि India आणि Europe आतून बरेताली हांव. So after business writing, I took a degree with BBC. So I used to do a program called cnnitindia.com. That innovations in IT palaytala, and a lot of that used to be in the villages. The palaytana villages shoot kartana have like every day utan lekta lihawa ki I must do something hands on. Yeah, boro nu camera capture kurcha is just not enough. Okay. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and invite kele ki amgel India first skilling mission set up kurchaka EGMM mono for the rural and tribal youth. So I was asked to set up the skilling mission. It was a wonderful opportunity maka because kone government ankar nahi hai, ani I was sitting in a senior government position working with the government people in all the districts and using my private sector experience to do it. So the money for the mission came from the World Bank. So 6 years I did it and I built it into a bhari powerful mission where youth actually got jobs. The budget of the EGMM was 8 crore. When I left it, it was 300 crores. I set up 200 centers across Andhra and konakai ministers our World Bank konai ye kaam understand korchaka they used to come to Hyderabad and travel all over Polo chaka yedatari ha World Bank tangel poverty elevation projects asa sakat kadina teja I used to work for them across Southeast Asia in the poverty projects. So ek youth component asa tanto. Then I thought my next stint should be to do something on my own. This gives you far more freedom. This gives you freedom to do something which is you think is good for society, is good for India, and therefore I decided to set up Youth for Jobs. Masajin mak nimki tachi ki why did you decide to focus on disability? India antu about 60 to 70 million as such. Globally, 1 out of every 7 with a disability, and it's growing. Ita malali people are growing older, living longer, and therefore you have a disability. So the population is really growing, and in countries like India, 80% of them live in these, and most of them in the villages. Villages agelali, you see youth. Sala youth with disabilities kind milche. आनी तांकां पेरंट्सा वोटू आमी सांगलाली यूथ विथ डिसेबिलिटीज आमकां दी आमी ट्रेन करून तांकां जॉब्स दिवयात म्हळ्ळाली द पेरंट्स यूज टू लुक एट अस एज अ कसं वॉट्स रॉंग विथ दिस पर्सन दिस चाइल्ड इज यूजलेस ओके he studied 10th class with great difficulty आतां कशी जॉब दिवयात सो they didn't believe in us पळय सो तें हांव लायक कसं करता म्हणून आमी मस्त इंटरॅक्शन केलें युथा वोटू पेरंट्सा वोटू कशी ट्रेनिंग करता कितले घंट्यार करता सगळे जाणांन सांगला सकाळ आनी दनपारा 2 सेशन करायची वी स्ट्रक्चर्ड द करिक्युलम and we launched Youth for Jobs online very boldly. त्या भारी लायक आशिल्लें बिकॉज आमी दूर दूर रिमोट गांवांत including Jammu and Kashmir students enroll at Kartaji. Okay, the real India, if you want to say, is now enrolling into our programs. Kasas al-Malali, I think the youth, because of isolation, they all had a big desire to do these job link trainings. So, sakajana girls, sakani tangel kam bhaggi korno, dhanpar they would enroll into our training centers. Generally, online antu dropouts are very large. Sala amka dropouts na ashilinchi. Okay, our trainers had to be very, very patient. Tank Zoom kash kurchmun shikochak जी कनेक्ट कशी करची म्हणून आनी तांगेल घरा सिग्नल ना आसलाली तांणी शॉपाला वचून राबून ती यूज टू कॅच द सिग्नल्स ऑन देर फोन तांगेल अम्मा यूज टू वंडर कसन वॉचेली करता घरा सगळो दीस सान रूम पळय वेन शी हर्ड की आमी जॉब लिंक ट्रेनिंग्स दिताची एंड हर पुतू ऑर डॉटर कूड गेट अ जॉब इतली खुशी दॅट द मदर्स बिकेम अ बिगेस्ट word of mouth ambassadors पळय भारी खुशी की या कोविड टायमान तू आमी फ्रॉम एप्रिल टू आतां 4500 youth with disabilities are train केला आनी jobs दिला just to give you an idea of scale giving of disabled youth to Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, Mahindra Logistics, so it's really amazing. Just for this COVID work, we've been getting a lot of awards. आमी मस्त companies बहुत काम करता जी. So we do a whole series of workshops with companies, accessibility audits, sign language workshops, recruitment kash korche, because if he can't speak, then recruitment kash korche. So we help the companies in all this. And now we've become like a one-stop shop for companies because Amgila, we have a database of less educated youth who get into the entry-level jobs. We have a database of educated youth because we have a college program, and we also do these services for companies. So together now pan-India, if you look, and all this we do pan-India. So we have really now become a one-stop shop for a whole range of companies. Atami, we work with about 650 companies. Yeah, award bhari precious maka. Why America president sakajana awards dilla amgel kamaka. But yeah, precious malali amgile community, Konkani community ni kya dilla. And can I like the key if my grandfather was alive, if my parents were alive, kittle happy they would have been with this award. So from the bottom of my heart, I really want to thank the World Konkani Center for giving the Basti Vaman Chennai Seva Puraskar today.